Hey guys, on this video I'll show you how to upgrade your headlights to LED bulbs. Whether you have halogen bulbs or xenon HID bulbs, LED bulbs are always a nice option, especially at night. Auxito were really nice sending me this box to do the upgrade from xenon HID bulb to LED. So I'll show you how to set this up. I'll start by removing all the covers. On this car, some of the clips are already missing, so I'll just remove all of them to gain access to the headlight. If you're looking to purchase LED lights, head over to auxito.com and you can use my personal coupon OMARGC to get 15% off your order. So this is on the driver's side. See, this headlight is a factory HID. So we're gonna remove this white cover by turning it counterclockwise, just like that. And now we can see the factory connection for the factory bulb. Now this is how you remove this connector. Turn it. Now that connector is removed. And after that, there's two tabs on the bulb itself. Like that. And this is the factory HID bulb. This is what you get when you order your LED lights from Auxito: a pair of gloves, a user's manual, and very nice LED bulbs. The LED bulbs have a large cooling fans in the back of the bulb, so you'll need to make some modifications. What you will need to do is remove the mounting hardware for the HID connector. There are a total of 4, 2 on each side, and I'll show you a picture how the bulb socket needs to look like. With the hardware removed, this is what it should look like. Now we can fit the LED light bulb and lock it in with the locking tabs. Once installed, you want to make sure the bulb turns freely if your vehicle has AFS. Now I'm just going to connect the LED bulb to the factory HID connection. And in the headlight there is a pocket that you can hide this wire, making sure it is not on the way of the LED bulb. You are able to leave this connection inside the headlight, so you will be able to install the cover. Once this cover is installed, we will check the headlight operation. And the LED bulbs work perfectly. They have a really nice pure white light compared to the HID, which are more yellow. This is a side-by-side comparison. You can look at the pure white on the LED bulbs. This is how they operate at night. It is a very nice and bright white light. I have to say that I'm really impressed. Some LED bulbs are not as bright, but these are working perfectly. You can see down the road very clearly. So if you're looking to upgrade to LED lights, I would recommend Auxito LED bulbs. They are very nice, bright, and I will also keep you updated how they work down the road. I've been having this for about a week and a half, and they've been working perfectly. So thank you for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.